I've had a Ring camera in my backyard for a long time. My original camera and solar panel have been out here for probably years, and they're probably one of the original generation of outdoor cameras. I'm Erin for TechGadgetsCanada.com for Best Buy Canada's blog, and Ring has recently upgraded its outdoor security cameras and solar panels, and I had a chance to test out and review the new ones to see what's different and what's improved. I'll tell you all about my experience. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. This Ring camera has a couple of improvements over my original. For starters, it's got a spotlight in the face of the camera unit for added lighting and security. The camera also has a removable rechargeable battery, which you can use as your main power source. My old camera needed to be fully removed and brought inside to be plugged in and recharged. You can also add the optional Ring solar panel, which is a great way to keep your camera operational all the time. It might be worth pointing out that the older solar panels and cameras do have different connections, so you can't use an older solar panel, for example, with one of the newer cameras. The new camera comes with a much improved mounting bracket that's easier to use and to adjust. The first thing I noticed about this camera feed is the wider field of view over my old one. This camera is HD, so you can expect more clarity too. The camera has 1080 HD video with built-in microphones and a speaker so you can hear and even speak with anyone who's in front of the camera. It also has infrared night vision so you can see and even record video in full dark. Plus there's that spotlight which will turn on when motion is detected too. For added security, there is also a 110 decibel siren to help you scare off intruders. You do have to manually turn it on inside the app. Your Ring cameras are designed to alert you to movement on your property. You'll get an alert to your phone whenever the camera senses motion, and you can configure exactly where the alerts are detected, and you can disable the area in front of your dog run, for example. You can also adjust the motion sensitivity to alert you to any movement or just the major ones. If you want, add the optional Ring Chime Pro inside your house, and it will send an audible alert through the house when it detects motion outside, if you want that. In order to get the most from your Ring video doorbell and cameras, you should probably know you'll want to enable Ring Protect. Ring Protect is a monthly service plan that allows you to access, download, and view your recordings from your Ring devices on your phone. Prices for this cloud video storage and access range from about $5 to $15 a month, and there's no contract required, so you can cancel it at any time. Now, there is a free version of this service that lets you view your camera's live feeds, but you won't have access to recordings of previous events. I'll post the details of the different plans in the description below so you can check them out, because they are quite a bit different between the plans, and you'll want to choose the right one depending on your needs and how many cameras you have. Getting the Spotlight cam and solar panel set up was simple. Charge the battery and download the Ring app if you don't already have it. Then sign into or sign up for an account. Before you install the camera, it is easiest to set the camera up indoors, and this is particularly helpful if it's cold outside or wintry where you are. When the battery is ready, pop it into the Spotlight cam. There's actually 2 battery pack slots, and it doesn't matter which one you use. The second spot is for if you want to add a second battery instead of the solar panel. The Spotlight cam will start powering up, and then you can go into the Ring app to add it. Click Add Device and follow the instructions, which will get the camera connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. My Spotlight cam was ready in an instant. Right away, this camera combo was helpful. During the daytime, I could keep an eye on my dogs in the yard using my Amazon Echo Show 8 as a viewer inside the house. I also used it to spot and speak to a meter reader who came into the yard unexpectedly. At night, it mainly caught stray cats, but I'm confident that if we did have a prowler, I'd know about it. As you can see, the video is sharp and easy to watch. Overall, it is very high quality in my opinion, whether it's daytime or nighttime. The light itself is also bright and lights up the area around it really well, and it has the bonus of creating an even better video picture in those low light situations. The solar panel most definitely keeps the camera fully charged, and it means I don't need to head outside to remove and then recharge the battery, particularly in the winter. Well, this one has gone up in the spring. In my previous experience with Ring cameras, they have operated trouble-free all winter long, with the possible exception of extreme cold temperatures, I'll say maybe around -30, which does seem to freeze them and knock them offline temporarily. But let's be honest, it also kind of temporarily knocks me offline too. One of the great options with Ring is the ability to connect the cameras and doorbells with Amazon's Alexa, so you can get voice control or remote viewing using an Amazon smart device with a screen. If you have a newer Echo Show device, for example, great news. The device will be automatically added to your account, so you can just say, "Show me the front door" when someone rings, and the feed will pop up on the screen. If you do need to do this manually or to get it set up from scratch, you can enable Ring as a skill inside the Alexa app. Overall, I'm a fan of Ring devices. I will note that I had some recent troubles with the Ring app with devices not connecting properly or falling offline. But since I've added these newer devices, the app seems to have stabilized or at least been upgraded, and setup and connectivity has gone perfectly. Any downsides with the Ring system? I'm really having a hard time finding any. The video quality is great, the cameras are easy to set up and to access, and you can configure your whole home system in so many ways so that you can have the peace of mind you're looking for. I know some folks are choked that without paying for the Ring Protect plan, you can't access your videos, your recorded videos that is, not even from a few days prior. But that is the reality of most remote security systems nowadays, in my opinion. They all want you to pay a fee for some kind of cloud recording. Overall, though, I can definitely recommend Ring Spotlight Cam and Solar Panel as a way to increase your home's security and to keep watch over your house. If you want to read more about them, head over to blog.bestbuy.ca, where we've posted a full write-up, and you can ask us any questions you have about the camera and solar panel, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, you can catch me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.